Fudan University is a major public research university in Shanghai, China. It is widely considered one of the most prestigious and selective universities in China. Founded in 1905, shortly before the end of China's imperial Qing dynasty, Fudan was the first university established independently by the Chinese people. Fudan is a member of the elite C9 League and a Chinese Ministry of Education Class A first class university. Fudan is renowned for its liberal atmosphere and rigorous academics. It is an important academic center for Chinese humanities, natural sciences, and medical studies. Fudan enjoys the reputation of the #1 Academy of Jiangnian. For the past 100 years, Fudan has made significant contributions to the development of the country, the rejuvenation of the nation, the well-being of the society, and the advance of the national education, science, medicine, and technology. Fudan has cultivated a number of outstanding talents and many prominent figures for modern China. Notable Fudan alumni include Chen Ying, Chen Wangdao, Chu Koking, Yan Fu, Yu Yoring, and China's Kissinger, Wang Huning. Fudan is a collegiate university with 5 colleges: Jide, Renjong, Fenglan, which share the same central administration. Fudan has 17 hospitals affiliated. In the 2020 QS Asian University Rankings, Fudan University is ranked 4th in China and 7th in Asia. In recent years, it consistently ranks in the world's top 100 universities according to some of the most widely read university rankings in the world, such as the Academic Ranking of World Universities, the QS World University Rankings, and the Times Higher Education World University Rankings. Fudan University, formerly romanized as Futan, was founded as Fudan Public School in 1905 by Ma Xiangbo, S.J., who had resigned from Aurora University. The 2 Chinese characters Fu day after day and Aurora revived were chosen by Ma on the recommendation of Yu Yoring from the Confucian classic Shangshu Dajung, which means rich in knowledge and tenacious of purposes, inquiring with earnestness and reflecting with self-practice. In 1911, during the Xinhai Revolution, the college was occupied as headquarters of the Guangfu Army and closed down for almost 1 year. In 1917, Fudan Public School became a private university named the Private Fudan University, and also had a middle school and university preparatory school. In 1929, Fudan reorganized its departments, expanding to include departments of journalism, municipals, law, and education. After the Japanese invasion of China in 1937, Fudan moved with the Kuomintang government to the inland city of Chongqing, the wartime Chinese capital. On the 25th of December 1941, the first meeting of 5th Conference of the highest executive authority of the national government of the Republic of China voted to change Fudan University to a public university with Wu Nanshan as its president. Fudan University then became National Fudan University. After the end of World War II, it moved back to Shanghai. After the founding of the People's Republic of China in 1949, Fudan lost its national appellation and became Fudan University to reflect the fact that all universities under the new socialist state would be public. Fudan was the first university to be reorganized by the new government in 1952 and modeled on Soviet education. The original departments were changed, with arts and sciences departments from at least 10 other universities in eastern China being added. Parts of Aurora University merged into Fudan in 1952. In the late 1970s, after the Cultural Revolution, the university was converted to a modern, comprehensive university. Fudan University and Shanghai Medical University merged on the 27th of April 2000. In December 2019, Fudan University changed its charter, removing the phrase academic independence and freedom of thought, and including a pledge to follow the Communist Party's leadership, leading to protests among the students. It also said that Fudan University had to equip its teachers and employees with Xi Jinping thought, leading to concerns about the diminishing academic freedom of Fudan. Fudan University comprises 17 full-time schools, 69 departments, 73 bachelor's degree programs, 22 disciplines and 134 subdisciplines authorized to confer PhD degrees, 201 master's degree programs, 6 professional degree programs, 7 key social science research centers of Ministry of Education PRC, 9 national basic science research and training institutes and 25 postdoctoral research stations. It has 40 national key disciplines granted by the Ministry of Education. Nationally third. At present, it has 77 research institutes, 112 cross-disciplinary research institutes, and 5 national key laboratories. See a list of schools and departments at Fudan. Fudan University enrolls over 45,000, including full-time students and students in continuing education and online education. Additionally, there are nearly 1,760 internation